Do your students feel safe on campus? If you have a private school, a public school, a college, or university, do your students feel safe on campus? That might mean different things in different locations. Is your campus well lit? Does it have an armed security guard? Are there lockable entrances and exits? Do you have protocols for emergencies? Is it well lit inside as well as outside? Is the parking lot clear? Can you see people approaching in the ingress and egress drives? These are the kind of questions you want to ask as you're evaluating your entire site and your buildings. Do people feel safe on your campus? Ask the people around you. Ask the people you work with. Ask the people who visit. Ask parents and faculty and staff and alumni. And of course, students. Do you feel safe on campus? Check us out at wbtc3.com for more free resources for colleges, schools, and universities. Thanks again.